Hello, today I'm going to show you where are documents stored as attachments and what about notes, groups in a Microsoft uh, Planner Premium. Sorry, I was confused. I still using Microsoft Project for the Web. Okay, Microsoft Planner Premium. And for that purpose, I'm going to create a brand new premium plan. Okay. And I will call it test, okay? And I can here choose among my groups to which group will I put this project. But for now, I don't want to put it in existing group. I will create the new one. So let's go here to test, let's create it. And after it will be created, I'm going to my plans, okay? I'm going to pin the test so I can easily access it. Okay, I'm here and now I'm going to share it, okay? Here, share, and I will say create group, okay? And it will be called test, okay? I can call it however I want. I can call it test group, etc., etc. But I will call it test. I will say it is private, and I will add here some members of this group: John, Alan, okay, and Mary. It doesn't matter about who is in this group for this video, okay? And I will create a group. Now, after the group is created, I can see the details, okay? I can add members, and be aware that whenever you are creating this a new project, new plan, okay? Premium, when you add, as I did, John, Ellen, and Mary, some members, you will be also the part of this group as well, okay? And I will add new task, and I will call it task 1. And now I'm going here in task details, and I'm going here to put some notes, okay? And I will say here notes for task 1, okay? And here I will add attachment, okay, from my computer. And then I will add some attachment. I can put whatever I want. I'm going here, certificates, and I will put here my ACP, okay? And this is attached. You can see it here. It is attached. I will create new task, task 2, and I will create also one attachment for task 2. I should, okay, here you can see discrepancies. It is not the same. I'm here in task 2, but sometimes it will stay here in task 1. So task 2, and I'm going to add attachment here, also from computer. And when I add it here, I will put here, do I have PMP? Yes, I have. PMI, PMP, okay, here in task 2. Okay, now I have 2 tasks and 2 attachments. Here I can see my PMP in task 2, PMP. In task 1, I can see here, you will see my ACP. Okay, okay, but where those files are stored? Let me explain it to you. So I will jump into my Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and I'm going to my teams and group, and I will go to active teams and groups. And you will see that I have here test group. If I click on it, okay, here, you will see that I will have some basic information about my 365 Office 365 group. And here I can go to view site. Okay, when I go to view site, and you will see that I have test site in my SharePoint. And if I go to documents, okay, here you will see that I have those 2 files, ACP and PMI PMP. Okay, those are the same files which are shown here in my tasks. So what I want to show you here today is that when you create a new plan, premium plan. And when you create a new group, automatically new SharePoint site will be created. If you are using existing group, then no new SharePoint site will be created. It will be used the old one, which is assigned to the existing group. And whichever file you are going to save or attach to any tasks, all of those attachments, like in my example, PMI, PM, ACP, okay, and here, if I go here, PMP are going to be stored exactly at that site, group SharePoint site, which is created when the group was created. So be aware that they are connected, okay? Now, let me show you one thing more. I'm going here, and I will say I don't need tests. I will go here. Let me close this one. I will go here to the test. Okay, 3 dots, and I will delete the plan. If I permanently delete this plan doesn't exist anymore. And be aware, you cannot recover it. Okay, there is no such a thing like recycle bin for that plan. But if I go here to my test documents here, and if I refresh this page once again, let me see what will happen. Okay, it is here. So be aware, if you create, let's say, 5 plans and you create 5 groups and you delete 3 of those plans, 3 assigned groups will not be automatically deleted. So be aware that when you create a plan and you create a group, or you are using existing group, and when you delete the plan, group will not be deleted, nor files in the SharePoint site which is assigned to this group. So you should, if you want to delete it with your plan, what you should do, you should go and manually delete this group. Okay? Hope this helps. Thank you very much. See you soon.